Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you one legitimate way to potentially get access to Claude Pro through Anthropic's education program. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your browser and search for Claude for Education. Then open the official Anthropic page from the search results. Once you're on the education page, review the information to see whether your school, college, university, or educational organization may qualify. Next, look for the option to contact the education team or request information about educational access. Click the appropriate button to open the application or inquiry form. You'll be asked to provide details such as your name, institution, role, and information about how you plan to use Claude in an education setting. So, take a few moments to complete the form accurately and provide clear information about your educational use case. After filling out the required fields, submit the request for review. Anthropic's team will then evaluate the application and determine whether your institution or education program is eligible for it. If approved, you may receive access to educational related benefits depending on the program currently being offered. Keep in mind that approval is not automatic and eligibility requirements can vary over time. Also, availability may depend on your region, institution type, and the specific education programs Anthropic is running. Be sure to check any emails you receive after submitting the form, as the education team may request additional information.